Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start my tutorial video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ivan Sandina. You can call me Ivan. I'm from the Eagle English course and I'm in step 2B. Okay, today I would like to make a video about how to play guitar for beginner. In playing guitar, there are 9 basic key. There are A, C, A minor, D, D minor, E, A minor, F, and G. Okay, alright. Let's just practice the basic key. Okay, the first basic key is the key of E. The E in just one column. Inside this, and the finger like this finger for the snare 3, this finger for the snare 4, and this finger for the snare 5. So the sound of A key like this. Now the next is the A minor. The A minor like this. These two column. In the first column, there is in the snare 5, this finger to hold it, this, and this for snare 3, like this, and this for snare 4, like this, and the sound like this. This is A minor key. So let's go to the next key. The next key is C key. Like this. The C key use 3 column. In the first column in the snare 5, you must hold it while your finger like this, and this finger for the snare 3 in the second column, and this finger for the second snare in the third column, and the sound of C key like this. Okay, the next we move to the D key. D key like this. You use 2 column too. This column and this column. And this finger hold the 4th snare, and this hold the 6th snare, and this hold the 5th snare. And the sound of D key like this. Okay, the next key is D minor. D minor, the key is like this. Yes, in this finger for this snare, the 6th snare in the first column, and this finger for the 4th snare in the second column, and this finger for the 5th snare in the third column. And the sound of D minor like this. Okay, the next is the E key. E key familiar like A minor, but the E key there is up from E minor. And in the first column you must hold the 4th snare. Yes, in this finger hold the second snare in the second column, and this finger hold the 3rd snare in the second column. The sound of E key like this. Okay, next the E minor. The E minor sound like E, but you must hold off your finger in this. So you just hold the you just hold 2 snare. There is in the second snare in the second column, and the 3rd snare in the second column, like this. And the sound of A minor like this. Okay, the next key is F. F key like this. Some like C, but C like this. This key you just down your finger. So this finger hold on the 5th snare in the first column, and this finger hold the fourth snare in the second column, and this finger hold the third snare in the third column, and the sound of F like this. Okay, the last basic K, there is the G. G, K like this. Yes, you know. We use 2 column again, and this finger hold the second snare in the second column, and this finger hold the first snare in the third column, and this finger hold the last snare in the third column. So the sound of GK like this. After we know the basic K, it's time for us to apply it in the song. And today, we will practice playing guitar with the perfect song from Ed Sheeran. Okay, that is the song. Remember, when we learn something, we must always try and be patient and enjoy the process, because practice makes perfect, and perfect makes practice. Yes, I do hope you apologize if I have mistakes in my video. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.